Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hey everyone, welcome back.
Glad you're here with us today.
Today's conversation is simple, but honestly, it can change the way you learn English forever.
No complicated tricks, no pressure. Just a practical system that actually works.
You don't need more time. You need better use of time. You don't need more books. You need consistency, one page at a time. You don't need perfect English. You need daily practice.
There is a simple method, powerful, practical, life-changing if you stay loyal to it.
It is called the 15-30-15 method.
15 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes at lunch, 15 minutes at night. That's it. Simple. But don't confuse simple with small, because simple things, done every day, change lives completely.
Let's start with the morning. These 15 minutes are not just study time. They are foundation time. The first moments of your day are powerful.
Your mind is fresh. Your brain is quiet. The world hasn't made noise yet. In these 15 minutes, you don't rush. You don't panic. You don't try to do everything. You just focus.
Exactly. You can read English sentences slowly. You can learn 5 new words. You can listen to a short audio and repeat after it. And before anything else, say this to yourself. Today, I will improve my English. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am learning, step by step. Simple sentences, but they change your mindset.
Then take one small lesson. I go to school. I went to school. I will go to school. Present, past, future. Repeat it slowly, not with pressure, not to memorize, but to feel the language.
Because English is not a subject. English is a habit.
Now comes lunchtime. This is where most people waste time, scrolling, watching, talking about nothing. But imagine using just 30 minutes, half an hour, not more. This is active English time.
You speak, you write, you think. Choose one simple topic, my daily routine, and speak. I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Slowly. Even if it's broken English, it doesn't matter. What matters is flow.
Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and say, I am improving every day. I can speak English. I am not perfect, but I am progressing. Progress is more important than perfection.
Practice questions. What is your name? Where do you live? What do you do? Ask, answer, repeat. Repetition builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency.
Now comes the last part of the day, the most important part. Nighttime is reflection time. Sit quietly. Slow everything down. Ask yourself, what did I learn today? What words did I practice? What mistakes did I make?
Write them down, even in a small notebook. For example, today I learned beautiful, busy, happy. Today I practiced I am going, I went, I will go. Today I spoke English for 5 minutes. That is enough. Small wins every day.
Before sleeping, read a few lines again, slowly, calmly. Let English enter your mind before sleep, because your brain remembers what you feed it at night.
Now listen carefully. This method is not magic. It will not change you in one day, but it will change you if you don't quit.
Most people fail because they expect fast results. But language is not a race. It is a relationship. And relationships need time.
Even if you are a beginner, even if you are afraid, even if you feel weak in English, this method is for you because it does not demand perfection. It demands discipline.
15 minutes is not hard. 30 minutes is not impossible. 15 minutes is not heavy. But together, they create power.
Imagine a student. Lazy mornings, fear of English, low confidence. But he starts this method. Morning, simple sentences. Lunch, speaking practice. Night, review. After 1 week, he recognizes words. After 2 weeks, he forms sentences. After 1 month, he speaks without fear. Not perfect English, but understandable English. And that is the beginning of confidence.
Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Fear is. If you don't speak, you don't grow. If you don't practice, you don't improve.
I go market yesterday. Wrong, but progress. Tomorrow, I went to the market yesterday. That is growth.
This method also trains your brain to think in English, not translate. Translation slows you down. Daily practice builds direct English thoughts. I want water. Simple, natural, fast. That is fluency.
Follow this method for 90 days. Your English will change, your confidence will change, your thinking will change, because consistency changes identity.
You stop saying, I can't speak English, and start saying, I am learning English every day. One is limitation, the other is growth.
You are not bad at English. You are just inconsistent. You are not weak. You are just untrained. And training does not need talent. It needs time. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. That is your training ground.
No pressure, no competition, just you and your progress. Slowly, something beautiful happens. You stop fearing English. You start enjoying it. You start using it.
So start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, because small habits done every day create big results one day. 15, 30, 15. That is your path. Walk it daily and watch your English change. Watch your confidence rise, slowly, deeply, permanently.
And before we end this podcast, we want to ask you something. If you could speak English fluently for just one day, who would be the first person you talk to? Tell us in the comments.
And if this conversation helped you even a little bit, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and join us again for the next episode.
Keep practicing. Keep growing.
And we'll see you in the next podcast.